He is a fabulous weaver, and the Eid Ka Chand is a very special motif. It is the 1/16th of the moon, and of course it's very popular in the whole myth of and lore of Muslim communities. And you can see the beautiful colors that are used.
Big
This,
size.
of course, is very popular in the wedding market. It's a more bigger. Eid Ka Chand is bigger, and of course it's richer. And then, of course, they have this in pinks and the
What is this called?
top thing.
Top teni.
Yeah. That's
This is the
classic.
gadi.
This is the paraspate is the diamond, half diamond, half diamond, and the gadi that is the railway track. And this is Rudraksha, is it?
No, this is part of this only, a
The,
smaller
acha.
version.
So ದೊಡ್ಡ paraspate, and there's really no.
ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
This is all ilkal.
ಇಳಕಲ್
Irkal. Irkal, I believe. I said, why? In Bombay, we used to call it Irkal. Some Englishmen couldn't pronounce Irkal, so then it became Irkal. So I make it a point to tell everybody, please don't say Irkal. It is Irkal. Irkal.
ಇಳಕಲ್
Janavi is my mentor. Just look at
The
that.
old style.
Look at that.
This is the old pavada chappa.
Pavada. But the Maharashtrian name is Parkar Polka.
Parkar polka. That is a Maharashtrian style. This is made with the khand.
Yeah, this is made.
How much is one?
It starts at 1650 with the depending upon the
350.
age. 1650.
1650.
So much work.
And then based on the age it goes up to 2.5.
Sure. Lovely. This is that peacock green.
So we have from
There's
the,
another emerald green.
yeah.
And that is my favorite, emerald
So they are
green.
from 0 to 1 year to 10 year we have made the red berries.
Hibiscus. Look at the hibiscus.
This is vanavritti.
Yeah.
கொஞ்சம் மாடல் பண்ணு ஒழுங்கா போட்டுக்கோ
Child Rani ille. No.
Is it okay to put it on Instagram?
yeah, why not?
But more the sari.
Yeah.
What is special about this sari?
You can ask her, she's there.
It is
She'll give you a
an
story.
Odisha.
She'll give you the whole story.
We'll meet her. You know, cottons are so difficult.
Are you okay if I post
Yeah,
this on
yeah.
Instagram?
Sure, ma'am,
And what
sure.
is this?
You pick it like this, take it
So
like
this is hibiscus flower.
hibiscus flower.
And you are the designer?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a textile designer from New Delhi.
Vanavritti, Odisha.
Your name, darling?
Anupriya.
Anupriya. I always think of Vanavritti.
Yeah. Everyone call me Vani. That's okay.
And so, what's new in your...
Yeah.
I loved your geometric...
Hello, ma'am. Namaste. How are you? Thank you.
hibiscus. எவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கு.
One. The banana leaf.
Oh,
It is specially made for this exhibition.
Hmm.
Ma'am, you wore the sari?
Yeah, I wore it
Okay.
on a festival. Hibiscus. I think that was... But whatever interest.
Are you okay if I put this on Instagram?
Yes, absolutely.
What is your brand's name?
That's called the jewelry project.
Jewelry Project. Okay. Only silver jewelry. Got it.
Silver coated also.
Silver coated and also
These are the old styles.
newish
Ganda Berunda.
Yeah.
So this is our jasmine necklace. Oh, jasmine.
Japanese, ah?
Jasmine. Oh,
Jasmine.
like the
Oh,
Malli
Malli.
Ramadhi.
Yeah.
They
Mali. Very different, huh?
Yeah, so really changing the grammar of ornament of Indian jewelry in the sense of, I mean, we're wearing the same pieces again
I
and
would
again.
prefer this because, this is more like that filigree kind of work. But this is...
So this is a rice grain necklace for
Oh, this is what you
Shankranti.
charmed.
And so the moon and the sun because of the harvest,
Oh.
the sugar cane, and the rice harvest
That's an
necklace.
interesting
Yeah.
story.
And so this is the idea of Kamadev and his 5 arrows, the 5 flowers in the arrow. So how do you really
Cupid.
take Indian concepts and then put them into jewelry in there? So that's contemporary just as arrow.
The 5
Yeah,
flowers
flowers.
of Kamadeva.
Yeah.
Okay. The
the Ashoka flower, the white lotus, the jasmine, the blue lotus, and the mango leaf flower.
This is for the 5 arrows of
The
Kamadeva.
5 flowers in his
5
arrow.
flowers in his arrow. Okay, got it.
So basically, wholly conceptual.
Ah,
This is how we've readdressed the Navratna concept.
all the Navratnas are
You
here.
had each one of them there?
This is a yantra, no? The Shri yantra.
Yeah, this is the Sri Yantra.
My mother-in-law used to do that.
Ah.
Sri Chakra nu antaralla.
Sri Chakra and
And the lotus.
the lotus.
How much would this be?
That's about 32 or
32.
36.
And silver dipped in.
Silver dipped in gold. And this is Karimnagar filigree, what we've restored and revived.
In prints. So the samplers used to look somewhat like this. So I have emulated the sampler.
Oh,
What is Saudagiri?
Saudagiri was a kind of textile that was exported from Gujarat to the Far East. And the traders were the Middle Eastern people. In Gujarat, we call the traders Vyapari Saudagar, any Muslim trader. So that's how the name came to be as
Sapno ka
Saudagiri.
Saudagar also. Gave you market dreams.
Did you see the sari which is on display there? Considering you and I are a part of the same Kasuti project. The Kasuti was coming out of my ears, so I have emulated the Kasuti.
Which
look.
one was that?
The one which is on the display there. The red one. The red and blue. Okay.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
So it's
I'm just
like a
taking
Chandrakali.
Shobha around for a quick
Yeah.
deco.
Now you want to see my the seal of excellence. Here.
This is one of my favorites.
So this is Shobhaji, what I call collage of memories, because every block is with a different pattern, and that kind
What
of
do you
reminds
call it?
collage of memories.
Memories.
So this is the one on which we've got the seal of excellence, and
Acha.
I have this in.
Incidentally, I sent Hema an email and I said, please do come. And she said, will do. Hema Ravichandra is a great
Yes. I'm a huge fan of what they've been doing. This is a little more contemporary version, just with stripes of different kinds. Again, a collage of memories, but just the stripes here.
Yeah. Instagram, your work.
Yes, definitely. This is the one. This is a earring, but I had a ring of this thing.
And you are Bhavya Ramesh, and you are the designer.
I'm the designer.
Well,
Show her your most cool. Show her your ring.
Oh yes, one second.
Crazy.
We don't customize those. We have nose prints, but we don't customize.
I don't know whether I know my. I wouldn't get this for my daughter because she.
oh, look at that.
Yeah, look at that. That's really. You have customers for this, brother?
No, this is a shoulder duster.
Scarab ring. Okay.
It dusts
I
your
love it.
shoulder. Like, I mean, it just extends.
Cool cats like you.
But lovely. This one would be how much?
This would be about 11,000.
Okay.
It's all
Yeah, absolutely. No?
See, this is the latest. Just played around with the Kanjivaram border.
Oh, that's interesting.
So this is doing really well. This design, yeah. This one. So different bill.
Show her the Venkatgiris because Venkatgiri is not
See,
made anymore.
Venkatgiris are here.
That side.
This side.
Yeah. These are Venkatgiris. Is it? It's not linen, is it?
Over in Venkatgiri. See this. Normally Venkatgiri is pure cotton. So now what we have done is we have introduced molded.
Okay, gorgeous colors.
Yeah. Are these the Venkatgiris? No, they doesn't look like Venkatgiris. Which is the cotton ones?
Cotton ones.
Venkatgiris.
These are the cottons. Very modern.
There was a. I don't know what interests you.
Yeah.
These are very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unusual colors. मैं Instagram में डाल सकते हैं?
हाँ डाल। ये तांगलिया चीज इसका है, ये दोनों तरफ सेम है। इसमें गांठ छेड़ा नहीं होती है। जब ये फैब्रिक बनता है तब इसका वर्क होता है और थ्रेड के साथ हम दूसरा थ्रेड लेकर इसको हम ट्विस्ट करते हैं। जितना डॉट्स है सब इंडिविजुअल है, वो वीव के साथ होता है। एक बार बन गया तो पता नहीं चलता उल्टा सुल्टा क्या चीज़ है, दोनों तरफ पेन से।
बट बीड्स डालते थे ना पहले।
नहीं पहले ही डालते हैं, वो वीविंग के साथ होता है। जब फैब्रिक बनता है तभी इसको
तो बीड कब डालते हैं?
वो वीविंग के साथ।
वीविंग के साथ बीड।
हाँ हाँ। मान लीजिए कि ये पहली लाइन बन रही है, एक दो डॉट्स है, वन डॉट्स लगा दिया पहला, बाद में वीव किया, बाद में दो डॉट्स आया, फिर वीव किया तो 3 लगाया, ऐसा आगे जाते जाते बनता है। और इसका ग्राफ नहीं है, सब हमारे दिमाग में है।
दिमाग से।
मैं इंस्टाग्राम कर सकते हैं आपका? Geeta, this is a sari what I'm wearing.
Stand there.
No, and
देख लो, तय कर लो।
yeah, no, but he did the sari that I'm wearing.
I know, that's what you and the same colors also.
The same
great.
colours also.
You want me to take a picture?
Yeah, let's
With
see.
you also?
Yeah.
So this is a Nawari,
Nawari.
a 240 years old sari in real gold and silver zari. Yeah.
Look at that.
So Nawaris
Rani
are
pink.
very rare. You don't get like old pieces Nawari. So this is how the palla will look.
Look at that sari.
Yeah, it's real metal. You burn the sari, you get a lump of metal.
Take a picture of him, yeah.
Yeah.
कैसा है?
I had to ask permission to Instagram
Ayyo.
him. 240 years old.
Yeah. It's a masterpiece again.
Can I photograph you? This will go on Instagram. Is that okay?
Museum pieces.
Huh?
These are museum pieces.
Yes, indeed.
In all museum curation, you get to see these pieces only. So I'm working with 2-3 museums, so that's how I could collect, So
We
many.
actually bought these from them.
These are old pieces from the royalties. Entirely like, real metal. If you see the width of this, you'll understand why it is so spatial and unique. So it comes in 56 inches, a very big width. Because olden times women used to do parda, right? So they would do ghungat until here, and from the back also the width has to touch the ground. So it has to be like long. So that's why it is like 46 in width. So this is from the Bania community. See, it's not in wearable condition. There are some. These are real old antiques.
But this design, what is this motif called?
This is Guldasta only with meenakari and babla in it. I'll show you one Awadh Banarasi as well.
But look at the color of this. This is royal. Do you make like this anymore?
I am recreating a lot of old textiles. Even Charkhana used to be a very old textile.
Oh,
a lot
that
of
one.
people perceive Banarasis with only curvy motifs. They think Banarasi is all about floral jal and curvy patterns, but this is very linear and geometrical.
Correct.
Motifs. If you see.
Correct.
So I wanted to revive that particular sensibility.
Correct.
And this doesn't have like borders.
Huh.
It just
Looks
comes
almost
as a
South
fabric
Indian.
in the
Yeah.
body.
See on the port
See. Done.
But this is what we
Pallu.
think of as.
Yeah, and this is an Awadh Banarasi, like the old
And look at the
Jamdanis.
patina of it.
Yeah, the old Jamdani.
To touch it is a pleasure.
Yeah, it's a patina, totally.
Oh my god.
If you see the coniyas of it, so beautifully done. And the entire body has a alegale jal, like,
That's hard
diagonal.
to do?
Diagonal, yeah, diagonal design. These are old textiles, like real textiles.
This is a sari or a
Sari. These are collector pieces in real metal.
Instagram this?
Sure.
Yeah. What is the brand called? Shivani. It's not heavy, I think. Oh no.
All these are completely handwork.
Huh.
Yeah.
And where are you based? Where is this?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Oh, Jayanagar. Okay. Shivani. Okay. I will come then and see you. Yeah. Riya, you told me to look up Tarini, your friend. Apparently, this is a fantastic sari for Navratri. It is the 9 Devis Ayudam. So the weapons of each of the Devis, and you can see that. And the craftsman, the weaver who did this has won Kabir Award from the government. And all of the shlokas of the Devis are there. It's pretty stunning. I may have to come back and buy this one. I don't know how much it is, whether they will even say it. Yeah, it's 4 lakhs. Okay, we'll have to think about it.